my big issue with temporary accommodation, or what's seen as temporary accommodation, is it's not really creating proper communities. It's emergency accommodation. It's a step up from, it's not a hotel room, but it's still emergency accommodation. We really need to be focusing on building our towns to allow them to expand really quickly. Nobody believes this. We actually have enough houses in Dublin. What we need to do is now make sure that there's no turnover. So there's lots and lots of people, one person living in a 4-bedroomed house, and then there's lots of families squeezed into 2-bedroomed houses or in hotels. So I think we have to get that mix right. We just need to look at how we're designing our cities. I have no issue with modular housing, no issue with, but I have a fear that if you put somebody into a temporary accommodation, which is a little bit better than a hotel room, they're going to still be stuck there in 5 years and probably 10 years' time. What we need to be looking at is kind of creating proper communities, little hubs with shops, supermarkets, and proper facilities, schools, and then we expand out from that. We need to start. You can't build a skeleton without a spine, and that's something in Ireland we haven't been focusing on too well. It's building the spine first and then hanging off all the ribs. To be honest with you, a hotel room is a bed, right? It's a warm bed, and there's food there, there's kitchens. You can do everything that you need to live, but it's not stable. It's not. It is, and a home for most people isn't just a roof over their head. It's the community that they live in. It's the friends. It's the sports clubs. It's maybe the church. It's all of those things. That's what gives us a life. Everything else is just kind of existing. So I think people in hotel rooms, people in temporary accommodation, you'll exist, you'll be fine, you'll be warm, you'll be fed, but I don't think you'll have a full life. And I think that's what we should be aiming to give people, is a full life, and you'll only do that when they're part of a community. I think a small house in a really great community is far better than a big temporary accommodation out in the field somewhere that, it's creating little ghettos. We need to focus on building communities, building our towns back up again, and getting people, because, Ireland has enough space. One statistic is that if Dublin was as dense as Barcelona was, every single person who needs to live in Dublin could live within the M50. And why aren't they?